In my last video, where I showed you how to make a fidget spinner out of gallium, I set up a poll to ask if you'd like me to make more, and there was an overwhelming majority who said yes. So this week, I'm going to put out a number of videos showing you how to make different designs. Today, we're going to be making a spiral effect. Start by taking some plasticine, take off a piece which we'll be using later, then push it out flat onto a tray. Next, take a mug with a nice flat bottom like this and push it down onto the plasticine. You can fold up any plasticine around it to make a lip. Then remove the mug. For a bearing, I bought these skateboard wheel bearings cheaply from the internet. And we need to place one in the center of our mold.
See that? That's why you look at fidget spinner.
If you like, you can use a rubber to make sure it's central. Once you're happy with that, take the other piece of plasticine and roll it out into a nice long worm. Try to make sure it's a nice consistent diameter. Then you can fold it around itself and chop it into two. Take one leg and, starting from the outside edge, carefully spiral it across the mold until you get to the bearing, like this. Then take your other length of plasticine and do exactly the same again, starting from the other side. Try to make it as symmetrical as possible. Next, we need to take some gallium. I've got these blocks left over from a previous project and melt them in some nice warm water. When it's all liquid, suck it up in a syringe and remove any water. Then it's ready for you to pour into the mold. Pretty cool, huh?
Demostrar delante de su gente que está en condiciones de competir con las mejores selecciones del mundo y por eso nuestra.
To make it stronger, I decided to remove these bits of plasticine so the gallium forms a ring around the bearing.
Oh, look at that cool fidget spinner that he did. Whoa!
Then carefully remove it.
Look!
If you like, you could leave the plasticine in place.
Looks like an eye.
Go ahead and remove it.
Wow. Look at that fidget spinner.
And there's our gallium fidget spinner complete. If you want to, you can remove the bearing center caps from another spinner and fit them to yours.
Que retomando una de las historias de hoy, el exdirector del FBI ofreció su tan esperado testimonio bajo juramento en una audiencia del Senado. El director del FBI, James Comey, testificó sobre la supuesta interferencia de Rusia en las elecciones y acusó al gobierno de difamarlo a él y al FBI después de su abrupto despido por el presidente Donald Trump. Además, Comey dice que conocía varias razones de que la participación del secretario de Justicia, Jeff Sessions, en la investigación rusa causaría problemas. Esto es lo más relevante. Comey dijo que el mandatario
Where's the charger?
abiertamente